Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kelly, a very hippity elder to everybody watching. Today we're going to try something very new and very scary. I'm procrastinating, but I'm going to shape my face. So I actually bought this months ago. This is the Finishing Touch Flawless Dermaplane Glow. It has like an LED light on there and everything. I really want to do this. I'm just very scared to do this. But lately I've noticed my peach fuzz is getting really awful. So we're gonna try this out today. I'm really nervous, but if you are new here, I want to say hi. Thank you for hanging out with me for a little bit. Anyways, I procrastinate on camera. And I'm also doing this like in enough time so that, I mean, my face can heal in case we... Oh, you guys. So anyways, my face is clean. You are supposed to do this completely clean face, bare face, nothing on my face. I made sure to very much so let my skin dry. Yes, and it's late at night, so I'm tired. My eyebrows need to be done, so... Alright, so let's get into this. I will say I have opened it to read the directions, and then I've spent probably the last 2 hours watching videos of people doing this. So it does slide out like this, and I did get mine at Ulta. I assume I get almost everything at Ulta. You do get a quick guide here. Oh, I got new lights. Well, I ordered a new ring light, so I should, I don't know, look better. But anyways, and then this very, well, I mean, it's not very big, but it's a bigger pamphlet, and it kind of tells you everything you need to know as far as like how to do it. There's this really fantastic face guide, which I'm going to use. But then it also helps you with replacing the blades. This is not a straight razor per se. It's not a scalpel. There is a guard on it. So many boxes in here, but you do get the tool, and it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 replacement blades as well as battery, which is nice because I don't think I know where my batteries are. I have their other tool like this. This is kind of why I picked this one too. It's just this that I keep like in my drawer that I just kind of do my stash really quick when I remember before makeup. But anyways, I really like this. But I'm talking like all over here, man. It's well, whatever. It's supposed to be great for dry skin. It's supposed to oh, we didn't talk about that. It's supposed to smooth. Okay, on here, because I forgot to mention it, it says that it's supposed to exfoliate, removes, and smooth. So I'm really hopeful that this will help. I will pull you in. Okay, so this is what I usually wear for my mask. So you're supposed to pull your skin taut, and okay, I can do this. I'm going to talk myself through this. I'm going to talk myself out of this. I don't know. I actually might not put this video up. This might be absolutely horrible. I'm going to get my little cheat sheet note because 2 hours of videos was not enough. But anyways, I'm very curious. How many of you do this? How many do you do at home dermaplaning, or do you go somewhere? I mean, when they're open, do you go somewhere for like dermaplaning? I mean, I think this was only $20, so I'm curious. You get quite a bit of treatments. It varies, I guess, as far as how often you need to do it. I'm hoping I'm one of the lucky people that only have to do this like once a month. Okay, so this does retail for $20. I did look it up, $19.99. I did get mine at Ulta, and I probably used a coupon, so you could use a coupon, a $3.50 coupon, make it a little bit cheaper. Alright, so let's start here, I guess. I don't know. Get a closer mirror. And, oops. Let's take the guard off. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it does have quite a bright light, so you can kind of see what you're doing. Make it closer. Alright. It doesn't vibrate. There's no noise. I'm safe. It feels really nice in the hand. I will say that. Does it matter? Alright. We've got to do this. Okay, that light is really, really good. You're supposed to hold this at a 45-degree angle, too. I'm a noob at this. Like, oh my goodness. Oh, I can't hold this. I can't do this. Sugars, I have to hold my skin. Oh, no. How am I going to do this? Okay. Making faces. But now I can't see that far away. You're not supposed to push any pressure, or have to. That is blinding when you look at it. So, down. Okay. This makes the weirdest noise against my skin. I'm going to say that. Oh. Oh, I don't know if I like that sound. That sound is really getting to me. Hopefully I'm still in the camera focus. Yeah. I don't know if that is showing up on camera. It's like flying everywhere. But it... Oh, wow. This is awkward. Doing this in front of all of these, like, lights beaming back at me. I'm gonna do just a little bit of my jawline right here. Oh my gosh. Okay, so there's all that that's coming off. This is taking me a lot longer than I thought. But it's very, like, there's significant, like, difference. Like, I wish you could feel it. It's crazy. Anyways, I'm gonna pull this a little bit closer. I'm not as scared. I think I know what I'm doing, but anyways, and I do always get red, like, when I touch my face or rub my face or anything, but we are going to zoom through the rest of this and give you some final thoughts. Okay, so that took a lot longer than I thought, and as you can see, I am somebody that when you kind of touch or even irritate or mess with my skin, we get really irritated. But anyways, the directions do say to not put anything on the face. I do think I'm going to rinse off, just because, and that's why I'm doing it at night, so that it's suggested, so that you give your face some time to calm down. I did... you know, just a little bit here. I will say, I like it. It takes some practice. I did not do very well, I can tell you that much. I'm not sure if my face is gonna like it, so we'll see how the morning goes, but I did want to, I mean, it's somewhat satisfying to see this gross hair. I mean, we exfoliated, we got all of that fuzzy off. I'm hoping that my face does calm down. Literally with a foundation brush it does this too. So it's normal, but I hope my face does calm down. I'm excited to try makeup tomorrow. Hopefully, I mean, most likely, my upper lip, like anytime I do anything to my upper lip, Kool-Aid. Um, very sensitive skin. I wasn't getting too much on my forehead, so I didn't spend it too much time up there, so, as you can see. But anyways, this is my first time trying it. So far, I like it, like I said, and I mean, it is so soft. Like this, my face looks like it would hurt, but it does not. It's not red, or it is red, but it's not like warm or anything. But I like it, you guys. It's an insecurity of mine. I think none of us want to do that. And when I see this stuff, like, it took me a minute to get, but it was flying everywhere too. So in case you were wondering, but anyways, if you do have sensitive skin, nighttime is best, I'm thinking. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Kind of weird. I don't know. It's kind of an awkward video, and also I didn't realize that it timed out. So this is going to be a very short video. And anyways, I will do a follow-up though. I will do a follow-up video with that. If not, my wrap-up, the wrap-up video I do the following month, I will talk about it too. But anyways, I'm going to jump off here. I'm going to undo my hair, and I'm going to crawl into bed. So I hope you guys have a good night.